Bustling markets to corporate offices, tax is once again at the center of conversations in Nigeria. The federal and state governments say the new tax framework is designed to widen the tax net, block leakages, and make revenue collection more efficient. But on the streets, reactions are mixed.
Because nobody wants to pay money now. Of course, especially if you are paying and you're not seeing the impacts.
I'm aware, but the only thing I know that they want to collect 20% of my money.
You know, that is where the government have to do their best by ensuring that every right citizen of this country will be aware of what they are going to be paying.
Under the new tax framework, more Nigerians will keep a larger share of their earnings. But by adjusting taxable income bands and expanding reliefs, the government say low and middle income earners are better protected from excessive deductions. To better understand the implication, let's listen to some tax experts.
But even if you earn 1 million, and it's not per month, sorry, that's an annual number. Even if you earn ₦1 million, and the first 800,000 of that 1 million naira will also be exempt from tax as an individual. Prior to now, we used to have 3 categories of companies: small companies, medium companies, and large companies. Now, medium companies were liable to tax, but at a much more lower rate, which was 25%. Now, we've removed that medium company description, and we've expanded the scope of small to cover what used to be both small and medium. So yes, if you are a small company, you would be liable to tax at a rate of 0%, and that includes companies whose revenues are less than 100 million per annum, not per month.
Analysts warn that without public awareness and enforcement discipline, the reform could face resistance, especially among small businesses already strained by inflation and high operating costs.
Here, African countries such as Rwanda, Kenya, Tanzania, and even Ghana, neighboring countries like Ghana, they've been able to use technology to a large extent to be able to ensure that there is ease of compliance with respect to filing tax returns, and there is also accountability.
Experts agree that Nigeria's new tax laws could strengthen public finances, but success will depend on enforcement, simplicity, and whether taxpayers feel the system is fair. In Lagos for News Central, Nasir Agbalaya.